How to download the Buddy Budget app. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can download the Buddy Budget app, the official one, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To download the Buddy Budget app, depending upon whether you're using Android or iOS, you can try searching for it, but sometimes on Android you might not find the official application over here. For app stores you can find them, so in that case what you can do is, if you're using iOS or Android, doesn't matter, just type in your browser, type in Buddy Budget Play Store. If you're using iPhone, type in Buddy Budget App Store and you'll find the official website, which is buddy.download. So you can go to download the Buddy app that you can find here, and then you'll find the download now button. So now you can tap the download now button. Depending upon the devices that you're using, especially for iOS and iPad, you should be able to see this Buddy Budget option, and now you can go ahead and click the install or the get button in order for you to download the app. This way you should be able to download the Buddy Budget app. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.